Everyone has to rise and has to keep standing till they resume their seats on the dais. And once they resume their seats on the dais, all of you all can settle. Similarly, at the time of retreat of the procession, when they retreat, everyone has to rise and can resume your seats or leave the pandal as soon as they exit the pandal. Till then, everybody has to be standing. So, mobile phones on switch off mode, again I'm announcing please, and all graduates please settle down. I can see a lot of graduates standing on my right side. Student volunteers, please ensure that all graduates have settled down. Hey, checked it. This is checked. This is on also. ये on है. ये ना off कर सकते.
कौन
नहीं तो off कर सकते. Off करायचं.
ऑफचं तर मॅडम तिकडे डायरेक्ट
Student volunteers on my right, please settle everyone from that area. Graduates, please settle down. Our guests have arrived and we'll be starting shortly. I need everyone to settle down. Thank you, honorable dignitaries. I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, Professor Dr. Vijendra Kumar, to deliver the welcome address and a brief report about the university.
Davaji is looking the same, absolutely. No another
Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice of India and the Chief Guest of the Convocation, Honorable Sri Justice Bhushan R. Gavai, Judge Supreme Court of India and Chancellor of the University, Honorable Sri Justice Sarath Arvind Bobde, former Chief Justice of India, Founder Chancellor and Professor Emeritus of the University, Honorable Sri Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, Acting Chief Justice, High Court of Bombay and Pro-Chancellor of the University, Honorable Sri Justice Sunil B. Sukre, Honorable Sri Justice A.S. Chandurkar, Honorable Sri Justice Anil S. Khilor, Judges High Court of Bombay, Bench at Nagpur, and other Honorable Judges sitting and retired High Court of Bombay, Sri Manan Kumar Misraji, Chairman Bar Council of India, Honorable members of the statutory bodies of the University, including Dr. Birendra Saraf, Advocate General High Court of Bombay, brother and sister Vice Chancellors, Registrars, Deans and Directors sitting and retired, Sri Rahul Pandey, State Information Commissioner, Nagpur Bench, Advocate Registrar General, Registrar of High Court of Bombay, Principal District Judges and District Judges, Presidents, Secretaries and other office bearers of the High Court Bar Association and District Bar Association Nagpur, members of the State Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, Divisional Commissioner, District Collector, Police Commissioner and Municipal Commissioner of Nagpur, officers of the PWD, MSc, DCL, MEDA and NMRDA, invitees, parents, faculty members, non-teaching staff and dear students. Last but not the least, print and electronic media personnel. On behalf of the University, it is with immense pleasure that I welcome you all to this historic occasion, making the first convocation ceremony of the University. I am indeed indebted to the Honorable Chancellor, Honorable Founder Chancellor, Honorable Pro-Chancellor, and Honorable Judges of the High Court of Bombay for making it possible to hold this convocation. My immense gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of India for accepting our request to deliver the convocation address for enlightening today's convocation ceremony. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the graduating students and their parents. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate their achievements, hard work, and dedication. Your journey through the university has been filled with academic and personal challenges, but you have risen above them to reach this momentous occasion. You should be proud of yourself, and I am proud of each one of you. Our journey from the day of the inception of this university till date has been challenging, but it has been immensely fulfilled and rewarding. We started the academic journey on August 1st, 2016 with the support of the government of Maharashtra, High Court of Bombay through its bench at Nagpur, and the founder chancellor of the university, Honorable Sri Justice Sarath Arvind Bobde, with a vision to further the causes of academic excellence in legal and justice education in India. The university started working in a temporary campus of the Judicial Officers Training Institute, Civil Line, Nagpur, with an intake of 10 students in LLM and 60 students in BA LLB honors. Subsequently, in the year of 2017, we increased the intake to 120 students for the undergraduate degree course and also introduced interdisciplinary PhD program. and moved to the rented premises at Moraj D&D building, Khapri, Nagpur. The government of Maharashtra was kind enough to allot a generous 60-acre land through the Department of Higher and Technical Education in 2016 at Waranga for the permanent campus of this university. We finally moved to this campus on July 1st, 2021, while battling various foreseen and unforeseen obstacles, including the COVID-19 pandemic. The university got recognition under Section 12B of the UGC Act in the month of February 2022, and also recognized by the Bar Council of India. We are also a member of AIU and the Consortium of National Law Universities. Today, as I stand before you, I would like to say that the campus planning intent revolves around the idea of balance and a mutually sustainable environment. The university has also received GRAHA 5-star pre-certification for green building. I feel gratified that out of the 3 phases of the campus construction, we are on the verge of completing the first phase of construction with the guidance and timely intervention of the Honorable Chancellor, Sri Justice Bhushan R. Gavai, who has been our inspiration and source of strength since the inception of this university. His Lordship has been the chairman of the IDMC, known as Infrastructure Development Monitoring Committee, when even the Act was not having this kind of possibility. Since 2016, and also was a member of governing bodies of the university, who is a chancellor of the university as on today. It is due to his lordship's commitment and dedication we could be able to reach this position within a span of 7 years. Lordship, thank you very much for guiding us all the time. Over the past few years, we have expanded not just in infrastructure but in academics as well, wherein the university offers PhD program, LLM, BA LLB honors, BA LLB honors in adjudication and justicing, and BBA LLB honors, besides offering several diploma and certificate courses. With immense pride, I would like to share that we are the first university in the country to introduce BA LLB honors in adjudication and justicing in the year 2020 under the direct guardianship of the founder chancellor and the present chancellor, which is first of its kind to train and equip students for the entry level of judiciary. Apart from the classroom academic activities, this course comprises of intensive and exhaustive practical training with the regular internship with district judges and judicial clerkship for six months in the form of apprenticeship during their final semester under the guardianship of High Court justices. The university has a well-equipped modern library with a sufficient number of print volumes and e-databases. The digital library has access to all national and international socio-legal databases. The university also has in place Equal Opportunity Cell, which is specifically established to support slow learners and conducts extra and remedial classes regularly. Moving from academics to financial support to the students, the university provides 2 scholarships, namely Sri Ram Jethmalani Merit Cum Need Scholarship, which was instituted by late Sri Ram Jethmalani ji, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, and MNLU Nagpur Merit Cum Need Scholarship, which was introduced by the university in the year of 2022. Further, the university has a nodal officer who happens to be a faculty member and a dedicated staff to help the students in securing scholarships from their respective states. I am also happy to share that the university organizes annual endowment lectures which have been instituted at the university by the family members of late Advocate Sri G.L. Sangiji and late Honorable Sri Justice S.M. Daud. The university has also received donations towards the institution of gold medals, which will be awarded to the students in today's ceremony for their meritorious and outstanding overall achievements. We are grateful to our donor, Honorable Sri Justice Jai Narayan Patel, former Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, Honorable Sri Justice A.B. Chaudhary, former Judge Punjab and Haryana High Court, and Sri C.S. Kaptan Sahab, Senior Advocate, High Court of Bombay, Bench at Nagpur. As learning and research go hand in hand, the university is committed to achieving excellence in the field of legal and justice education by promoting innovative, cutting-edge interdisciplinary research. The university has two biannual journals, namely the Contemporary Law Review, which is faculty peer-reviewed and UGC care-listed, and the second one, Contemporary Law and Policy Review, which is a student's peer-reviewed journal. The university has also established a number of centers to facilitate advanced research in various fields. One of the centers at the university, Center for Shastric Studies and Research in Law, has been recognized and received funding from the Indic Knowledge System Division of Ministry of Education through the All India Council for Technical Education. The said center promotes and identifies branches of Indic knowledge and ancient literature that are relevant in the contemporary socio-legal arena. Further, the university, through its Center for Intellectual Property Rights, has received DIIPT IPR chair instituted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the Government of India. The center annually organizes WIPO Summer School on Intellectual Property in association with WIPO and RGNII Nagpur for the optimum benefit of national and international participants. The university has established a legal aid center for it from its very inception to provide legal assistance to the needy and downtrodden. Further, we have adopted nearby villages, Mogaon and Waranga, where the Pro Bono Club regularly visits and conducts meetings to acquaint students with social reality. Additionally, the university promotes academic research among scholars by providing them with research skills on socio-legal cutting-edge contemporary issues. To promote such activities, the university invites external PhD scholars from other institutions of higher education to attend the PhD coursework along with internal registered PhD scholars of the university under the University Social Responsibility Program. Furthermore, in order to interact with other institutions and stakeholders on academic collaborations for the benefit of students, scholars, and faculty members of the university has signed around 22 MOUs with various national institutions, Maharashtra State Faculty Development Academy, Pune, and Nagpur City Police. In a zeal to encourage students and research scholars to have a holistic development, the university, through its student committees, under the guidance of faculty advisors, conducts several cultural, sports, mental health, moot court, legal awareness, and other academic activities on regular basis. The moot court committee hosted first MNLU Nagpur National Moot Court Competition in the year of 2022 and going to have a second round in the next weekend, Lordship, which is the flagship event of the committee. The Internal Coordination Committee and Recruitment Coordination Committee work around the clock to help students to secure internship and explore future recruitment opportunities. The Sports Committee organizes two annual inter and intra-university sports events, namely SARAM and Sportacus. To preserve the cultural diversities on the campus, the Cultural Committee organizes two annual cultural events, namely Lokriti and Sanskritotsav. The IT Committee helps in monitoring the IT infrastructure of the university on regular basis. The initiatives to start these events were taken by the graduates in 2016 and 17, and since then it has been successfully carried by their junior batches. I am glad to share with you all that today degrees will be conferred to 6 scholars of PhD program, 56 students of postgraduate degree course, and 158 students of undergraduate course. This is the result of the spirited work by the various committees and centers, the hard work of the faculty members and non-teaching staff. But of course, this would not have been possible without the contribution of these graduates and the faith of their parents in the university system. Watching these smiling graduates in their caps and gowns, I feel a sense of joy and pride, which is an emotion shared by every member of the university fraternity. Therefore, I express my heartfelt felicitations and immense gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor, Honorable Founder Chancellor, Honorable Pro-Chancellor, members of the statutory bodies, faculty members, and non-teaching staffs who have invested their sweat and sensitivity towards constructing a strong foundation of this university. Once again, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Thank you, Lordship, for gracing the ceremony and blessing the graduates. Last but not the least, I thank all the dignitaries on and off the dais for gracing the first convocation ceremony of the university with their gracious presence. I would like to conclude my address by offering blessings to the all graduates and wishing them good luck in their future endeavors. I congratulate all the awardees and their proud parents. Jai Hind.
I invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor to request the Chancellor to declare the convocation open.
Perspective. They must have a very balanced perspective. Then they take a choice which side of the spectrum is better.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to request your Lordship to address and declare the convocation open.
The Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, the founding Chancellor of the University, Honorable Justice Sharad Bobde, the Pro Vice Chancellor and the Acting Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Justice Gangapurwala, my all esteemed colleagues present on the dais, of the dais, including the past colleagues present in large number, the Learned Advocate General for the State of Maharashtra, Dr. Saraf, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, the Chairman of the Bar Council of India, and all the members of the Bar Council of Maharashtra, the government officers present here in large numbers, members of all the statutory bodies of the university, the members of the faculty of the university as well as the faculty of the other institutions present here, the proud parents, and above all, the dear students. It gives me a great pleasure to be before you this morning. This day will be written as a milestone in the history of Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur. I recollect we began the journey in 2016. The then Honorable Chancellor, Justice Bobde, entrusted the responsibility of the construction of establishing the university by appointing me the chairman of the infrastructure committee. I still recollect the summer of 2017, which me and Justice Chavan spent the entire vacation on planning of the project, and it's really a matter of great satisfaction that the project is coming to reality, though delayed. Even in the COVID period, the construction was going. I would not stand here for long. I am here only to thank all those who have, because of whose contribution today's day has been possible. I won't be lengthy. On earlier occasions, I have always recognized the contribution of all those who have immensely contributed for construction of the buildings, for completion of the project, including the Government of Maharashtra, the architects, the officers of the Public Works Department, the Government of Maharashtra, secretaries of the Higher and Technical Education, Finance. Everybody has, in their way, immensely contributed to the completion of the project. Today, we will be conferring the degrees on the first two batches. I am really grateful to the Honorable Chief Justice of India for sparing his valuable time and agreeing to address the students on the first convocation. After after assuming the office of Chief Justice of India, this is the first convocation which will be addressed by the Chief Justice of India, and the students of the Maharashtra Law University, Nagpur, must be very happy that the CJI will be addressing them. It's a matter of a great coincidence that we all started this journey with the inspiration of motivation of Honorable Justice Sharad Bobde, who was the founding Chancellor. And it is also a matter of great coincidence that it is Justice Bobde who appointed Honorable Justice Dr. Chandrachud as a Chancellor of the Maharashtra Law University, Mumbai, and me as the Chancellor of the Maharashtra Law University, Nagpur. We are here to listen to the erudite speech of Dr. Chandrachud. As all of us know that he is a great jurist, he is a workaholic person. Every day I see that he does not leave the court even till 7:30 p.m. And therefore we are all proud that it will be he who will be addressing the first convocation. I must place on record the contribution of all my esteemed colleagues who are present on the dais. After I became Chancellor, I delegated my responsibilities to Justice Shukre, Justice Chandurkar, Justice Kilor, and Justice Dangre. And I must place on record that the contribution of Justice Kilor in construction of this project is immense. He spends his weekends here. I heartily congratulate all the students who will be graduating today. I also congratulate their proud parents. I wish them all the best. Whatever they desire in life, their dreams be fulfilled. Let success be their way, whatever path they choose. Thank you. With this, I declare the convocation open. Thank you.
I now invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor to seek permission of the Honorable Chancellor to present all the candidates.
This convocation of Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, has been called to confer the degrees upon the candidates who in the examinations held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same.
Let the candidates for degrees stand forward.
I invite
Candidates
Honorable-
for the degree stand. Yeah. Honorable Chancellor, sir, please administer oath to the candidates.
Do you sincerely promise and declare that if admitted to the degree for which you are candidates and for which you have been recommended, you will, in your daily life and conversation, conduct yourself as worthy members of this university? Let the candidates be now presented.
Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have honor to present the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, whose names are set out in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, I admit you and also the candidate in absentia to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, PhD in this university.
Candidates for the degree of PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, in person, Shinde Sopan Bhausaheb. Divita Page. Debashri Debnath. Varuna Chakraborty. Sumit A. Bamore. Candidates for the degree of PhD Doctor of Philosophy in absentia, Hemangi Sharma. Honorable Chancellor, sir, I am honored to present the candidates for degree of Master of Laws whose names are set out in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Laws, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of Master of Laws, please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, I admit you and also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Master of Laws, LLM, in this university.
Candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course, batch 2016-17, in person, Falguni Chandrej Badani. Sumit A. Bamore. Jankruti Chandrej Badani. Sandeep Vijayarao Sumbhate. Suprita Subroto Mukherjee. Swapnil Bhaurao Waware. Candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course, batch 2017-18, in person, Abhijit Ram Kolle. अंकिता शुक्ला, अर्पिता टंडन, प्रेमचंद्र मनसाराम डहाके, देवतळे प्रीति रामकृष्णा, रीचा बंसल, सिद्धार्थ आतिश नारनवरे, सिग्ना सदानंद पिंपरकर, candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2017-18 in absentia Khoth Rahul Balso, More Abhijit Anil, Arju Taylor, Himanshi Babbar, Himanshu Mene, Gaikwad Rajesh Gopal, Samarth Pandey, Shivam Gaur, Varbhuvan Siddharth Sunil, Shwetlena Barik. Candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2018-19 in person, Aishwarya Tiwari, Priya Ray, Priya Raisen, Shrijan Mishra, Sugoj Bhamore, Tanya Mandal, candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2018-19 in absentia Apurva Gabal, Kamini Tiwari. Candidates for degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2019-20 in person, Abhinav Mishra, Ankita Verma, Atul Singh, कीर्ति अग्रवाल, रूपाली सुधाकर मडावी, मृत्युंजय मिश्रा, पल्लवी तिवारी, रोहन सखाराम साल्वे, सिमरनजीत कौर मुच्चल, शिंदे उमा काशीनाथ. Candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2019-20 in absentia Mitali Balchandra Sambarkar. Candidates for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2020-21 in person, Anoma Anil Nitnaure, Ashwin Arun Hirulkar, Ayushi Tyagi, Gauranshi, हर्षित अडवाणी, कशिका चंगुलानी, कोरे प्रतिभा वीरनाथ, राठौड़ समीक्षा प्रेमदास, candidate for the degree of 1-year LLM postgraduate degree course batch 2020-21 in absentia Abhilasha Singh, Agrawal Rahul Mohan, Anjalika Som, Apurva Pandey, Vishaka Gupta. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I have honor to present the candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws Honours batch 2016-21 whose names are set out in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the degree of BLLB Honours, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of BLLB Honours batch 2016-21, please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, I admit you and also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws Honours, BLLB Honours in this university.
Candidates for the degree of BLLB Honours 5-year integrated degree course batch 2016-21 in person, Gatlewar Aditya Rajendra, Aditya Jain, Advay Hari Singh, Akansha Sinha, Akshita Mittal, Aman Bahal, Anikesh Sanjay Thul, Bagde Anushri Abhay, Asta Pandey, Avni Dubey, Chetna Agrawal, Devprita Pandey, Diksha Dubey, Kamble Dipankar Devesh, Himanshu Kachwa, Hitesh Gedam, Richa Gandhi, Kalyani Kailesh Vavre, Warad Kedar Sunil, Medha Patil, Mrutyunjay Pathak, Mukul Nashine, Narendra Singh, Chakole Palash Rajendra, Prakhar Agrawal, Pranjali Pandey, Ravi Sharma, रेवतकर पीयूष अशोक, सेठ रिहा राजेश, सर्वेश गवाने, सत्यम वर्मा, शेंडे प्रतीक प्रशांत, शिवम त्रिपाठी, श्रेया पांडे, सृष्टि, कामले समित्रा देवेंद्र, तायडे प्रणाली गोवर्धन, वंजारी तेजस्विनी पवन कुमार, दाते वेदांत प्रदीप, candidate for the degree of BLLB honors 5-year integrated degree course batch 2016-21 in absentia Bharat Saini, Shwetana Priya, Abhinav Saxena, Anubhav Badpuria, Anuma Khobragade, Bhaskar Anand, Aduti Divyani Sudhakar, Ramteke Shruti, Sarthak Bharsakle, Shagun Gupta, Tanushri Bagde, Taiwade Aniket Deepak, Utkarsh Pandey. Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have honor to present the candidates for degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws Honors, batch 2017-22, whose names are set out in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the degree of BLLB honors, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree of BLLB honors, batch 2017-22, please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, I admit you and also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws Honours, BLLB Honours in this university.
Candidates for the degree of BLLB honors 5 years integrated degree course batch 2017-22 in person, Aryaman Singh Raghuvanshi, Ayush Sharma, Kuradkar Abhinil Balaji, Pundle Abhishek Anuradha, Aditi Sharma, Aditya Oza, Aditya Sharma, Aishwarya Gajendra Deshmukh, Aman Hibrur Rahman, Aniket Pandey, Birole Animesh Prabhakar, Anirudh Chaturvedi, Anshi Joshi, Khandare Anuj Yeshwant, Anuja Dubey, Kamle Apeksha Rajendra, Arpit Lahoti, Ayushi Bautra, Ayushi Pandit, Bhanu Priya Vyas, भार्गवी प्रज्ञानंद इलमकर, भूपेंद्र बारहाट, दृष्टा सेठिया, खोब्रागडे दीक्षा मोहनदास, दिव्यांशी श्रीवास्तवा, गार्गी पांडुरंग सांगले, गर्विश जैन, गौरांगी शर्मा, तिवाड़े गौरी अशोक, गौरी कोटवाले, गुंजन बाहेती, इंडीज हिमांशु विश्वनाथ, नवाड़े जानवी चंद्रशेखर, देशेट्टीवार जानवी चंद्रशेखर, जया वर्मा, करिश्मा माधवराव शिरसाट, कावेरी यादव, कीर्ति त्रिवेदी, कुमारी अंकिता, लावेश श्री मोहंती, कडू मानसी मंगेश, मंथन शर्मा, मयंक त्रिपाठी, मेधा द्विवेदी, मोहम्मद शाहिद खान, मोहित शुक्ला, नरेंद्र सिंह, हजारे निशांत भूषण, पराते निशांत प्रणय, नितेश जोशी, पार्थ चेतन मालविया, प्रशांत सिंह, प्रिया गंगोत्रा, पुष्पम समीर दास, तिरपुड़े कौसी रत्नाकर, राम स्वरूप भाटी, रानू तिवारी, रेहा एल्सा श्रेया अब्राहम, रितिका राजावत, ऋतुपूर्णा चांद, रुचिर जैन, रुद्रांश, साहिल मंगनानी, समृद्धि वस, मानापुरे शर्वरी संजय, शिवम शांतानु, शिवांगी पांड्या, श्रेयांश मित्तल, बायस सिमरन नरसिंह, स्नेहल अजमेरा, सोनल ओखाड़े, पटेल सुमिधा अरविंद, तन्मय जोशी, सोनकुसरे वैभव गणपत, उज्ज्वल अग्रवाल, वैदेही विजय कोल्ले, लाचरवार वैष्णवी सुनील, वेदांत दीपक आखाड़े, विश्वनाथ दीक्षित, यश मेहता, याशी अग्रवाल, अदिति सिंह, candidates for the degree of BA LLB honors 5-year integrated degree course batch 2017-22 in absentia Aditi Nitin Doshi, Aditya Swarup Singh, Ananya Vas, Ankit Singh, Ayush Kandelwal, Dhananjay Singh, Divyanshu KR, कमल किशोर, कनिका शर्मा, खुशी असवाल, नियति नगर, प्रज्ञान योगेंद्र श्रीवास्तव, प्रतीक चरण, प्रिया गुप्ता, देवनाथ रोहित कमकांति, सफर सेठी, श्रेय शंकर, संघवी चतुर्वेदी, सृष्टि शुक्ला, यश बोराना, वैभव विद्यांश, अदिति त्रिपाठी, ईशिता शुक्ला।
Thank you, Honorable Chancellor, sir. I request the respected Registrar, Dr. Ashish Dikshit, sir, to present before Honorable Chancellor the record of degrees and medals for signature. I now invite respected faculty member and Deputy Registrar, Dr. Chamarti Ramesh Kumar, sir, for award of medals.
with the permission of the Honorable Chancellor, now I would like to present the gold medals. The University Gold Medal for topper in Corporate and Commercial Law in LLM 2016 batch goes to Mr. Sumit Bamore. I request our Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud sir, please present the gold medal. Please present the gold medal to Sumit A. Bamore. The University Gold Medal for topper in Constitutional Law from LLM Batch 2016-17 goes to Swapnil Vavre. I request His Lordship to present the gold medal to Swapnil Vavre. Thank you, Lordship. Thank you, Lordship. Now, from LLM Batch 2017-18, the University Gold Medal, topper in Corporate and Commercial Law goes to Arpita Tandon. I request our beloved Founder Chancellor, Honorable Sri Justice Sharad A. Bobde, to present the medal to Arpita Tandon. Arpita Tandon, please. The University Gold Medal for the topper in Energy and Telecommunication Law from the batch 2017-18 LLM goes to Preeti Devtale Ramakrishna. I request our founding Chancellor, Honorable Justice Bobde Sahab, to present the medal to Preeti Devtale. Thank you, Lordship. ठीक लाओ शुरू The University Gold Medal, topper in Corporate and Commercial Law from batch 2018-19 LLM goes to Aishwarya Tiwari. I request our Chancellor, Honorable Sri Justice Bhushan R. Gavai, to present the gold medal to Aishwarya Tiwari. The University Gold Medal for topper in Constitutional Law, batch 2018-19 LLM goes to Sugesh Bamore. I request our Honorable Chancellor sir to present the gold medal.
This one has been switched with Shiva.
Thank you, Lordship. The University Gold Medal for the topper in Energy and Telecommunication Laws from LLM batch 2018-19 goes to Srijan Mishra. I request our Pro-Chancellor sir, Honorable Sri Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwal sir, please present the gold medal to Srijan Mishra. Ankita, yes. The University Gold Medal for topper in Corporate and Commercial Law from the batch 2018-19 1920 goes to Ankita Verma. Thank you, Lordship. The University Gold Medal for topper in constitutional law from LLM batch 2019-20 goes to Simranjit Kaur Muchal. I request Honorable Shri Justice Sunil B. Shukre, Administrative Judge of High Court of Bombay Bench at Nagpur, to present the gold medal to Simranjit Kaur.
Pallavi Tiwari.
The University Gold Medal for topper in intellectual property law and policy goes to Pallavi Tiwari from LLM batch 2019-20. Thank you, Lordship. Thank you, Lordship. Now I request the University Gold Medal for topper in corporate and commercial law, batch 2020 LLM, goes to Harshit Advani. I request Honorable Shri Justice Atul S. Chandurkar, Judge High Court of Bombay, member of our governing bodies of the university, to present the medal to Harshit Advani. Thank you, Lordship. Thank you, Lordship. The University Gold Medal for the topper in constitutional law goes to Ayush Tyagi from batch 2020 LLM. I request our Honorable Srimati Justice Bharti Dangre Madam to present the medal to Ayushi Tyagi. The University Gold Medal for the topper in intellectual property law and policy from batch 2021 goes to Gauranshi. What is his name? Next. Thank you, ma'am. Ashwin now? Yeah. Now I request Honorable Shri Justice Anil Kilor, member of our governing bodies of the university, to present the University Gold Medal for the topper in alternative dispute resolution to Ashwin Arun Hirulkar, LLM batch 2020-21. Thank you, Lordship. Now let me present the gold medals for the undergraduate program. University Gold Medal from batch 2016-21, University Gold Medal for the best male student for overall excellence, Shri Hiralal Chudaman Patel Gold Medal, which was instituted by Honorable Shri Justice Jay Narayan Patel, former CJ of Calcutta High Court, Advocate B.G. Chaudhary Gold Medal for highest score in the subject of jurisprudence, which was instituted by Justice A.B. Chaudhary, former judge of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and Shri C.S. Kaptan, Senior Advocate, Nagpur Gold Medal, who is also member of our governing bodies. For the topper in family law, all these 4 gold medals goes to Mr. Advai Hari Singh, and I request our Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud sir, to present the medals to Advai Hari Singh. Thank you, Lordship. The University Gold Medal for Best Female Student for Overall Excellence and Srimati Hansa Devi Chudaman Patel Gold Medal for the girl topper in batch 2016-21 goes to Avani Dubey, and I request our founder chancellor, Honorable Shri Justice Sharad A. Bobde, Professor Emeritus of the university, to present both the gold medals to Avani Dubey. Thank you, Lordship. The University Gold Medal for Best Male Student for Overall Excellence from batch 2017-22 goes to Arpit Lahoti, and I request our Chancellor, Honorable Sri Justice B.R. Gavai, to present the gold medal to Arpit Lahoti. Next. The University Gold Medal for Best Female Student for Overall Excellence, Sri Hiralal Chudaman Patel Gold Medal for the topper of batch 2017-22, Sri Hiralal Chudaman Patel Gold Medal for girl topper batch 2017-22 goes to Aditi Tripathi, because Aditi Tripathi is currently in BCL at Oxford. Therefore, we request her mother Manju Tripathi to accept the gold medals on behalf of Aditi Tripathi. Thank you, Lordship. Advocate B.G. Chaudhary Gold Medal for topper in jurisprudence from batch 2017-22 UG goes to Anshi Joshi. I request our Advocate General Dr. Sharaf Sir to present the gold medal to Anshi Joshi. Thank you, sir. Shri C.S. Kaptan, Senior Advocate, Nagpur Gold Medal for topper in family law from batch 2017-22 goes to Divyanshi Srivastava. I request our Honorable Bar Council Chairman, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra ji, to present the gold medal to Divyanshi Srivastava. Thank you very much all the dignitaries on the dais for presenting the gold medals.
I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to invite the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, sir, for the convocation address.
Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice of India, sir, I have the honor to request your Lordship to deliver the convocation address.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Honorable Justice Sharad Bobde, distinguished former Chief Justice of India, my colleague and brother Justice Bhushan Gavai, Chancellor of the Maharashtra National Law University, Justice Sanjay Gangapurwala, Acting Chief Justice and Pro-Chancellor, Professor Dr. Vijendra Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Justice Shukre, Justice Sandurkar, Justice Bharti Dangre, Justice Kilor, Justice Dikshit, Justice the Advocate General Mr. Birendra Saraf, Chairperson of the Bar Council of India Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, all the other distinguished judges present and former present here, professors, teachers, staff, families, friends, and most importantly, the young lawyers who have gathered here today to receive their degrees. I'm delighted to be here today on the joyous occasion of MNLU Nagpur's first convocation. At the very outset, my heartiest congratulations and sincere congratulations to each and every one of you. It is not a small feat to be graduating with a degree in law from a prestigious university like MNLU, Nagpur, and you should all be proud of yourselves. We must all give the graduating classes a big round of applause. The parents, families, and friends who stood by the graduating classes and helped them along the way, you should be equally proud of yourselves, just as we are proud of our own parents and families. And a round of applause for all of you as well. Young friends, as you donned your graduation gowns and caps this morning and prepare yourselves to bid adieu to university life, you must have been flooded with memories of the carefree years spent on the campus. William Shakespeare captured the intangible, close to indescribable feeling of saying goodbye to someone or something when he wrote, "Parting is such sweet sorrow." And sweet sorrow it is indeed to leave the life you shared with your friends and peers behind. But even as one chapter of your life ends, a new chapter opens itself up. Like freshly fallen snow or freshly fallen rain with not a mark upon it, your lives at this moment, the moment of your graduation, are full of potential. While Lady Luck plays a role in determining the course of one's life, the role that you yourself have in this endeavor is not to be understated. My advice to you on this momentous day is simple. Be guided by constitutional values in your professional life, and you will not fail. Today, for a brief while, I would like to speak to you about the preamble to our Constitution in particular. The preamble is a short but weighty part of the Constitution. It states that we, the people of India, give to ourselves this Constitution. This is immeasurably significant because it marks the transition of the people of India from the status of subjects to the status of citizens. The colonial masters did not bestow the Constitution upon us as an act of grace. Ours is a document which is homegrown, a product of self-governance, dignity, and independence. As citizens of India and as lawyers, it is our duty to ensure that our fellow citizens are citizens in substance and in the truest sense of the word, and not merely on paper. How, you may ask, can this be achieved? The answer lies in the fulfillment of the promise in the preamble, the promise that we will secure social, economic, and political justice for all. In your mission, or what I hope will be your mission, to secure justice for all, I implore you never to forget the difference between justice and charity. There is a clear but well-defined difference between justice and charity. Justice is firmly rooted in the conception that all people possess certain inalienable rights. Charity, on the other hand, is premised on the greatness of the person who is being charitable. Justice tackles the root cause of injustice, but charity merely addresses the after effects or symptoms of injustice. Justice aims to empower communities and enables them to be self-sufficient and possessed of all the rights to which they are entitled, whereas charity merely alleviates the suffering arising from injustice for a fleeting moment in time. So in your lives as lawyers, I appeal to you not to consider your work, whether as lawyers or subsequently as judges, as persons who dole out charity, but persons who are responsible for creating an environment in which justice can be dispensed to every citizen. We sometimes forget that the etymology of the word empower is the word power. Charity does not empower communities or redistribute power to create a just world. In contrast, the very purpose of justice is to destroy the need for charity itself. Charity is a weak substitute for the full availability and exercise of human rights. Commit yourselves to the path of justice, and if you are able to touch even a single soul, you would have had succeeded beyond measure. Of course, my remarks on the difference between justice and charity do not mean that you should not act charitably or donate to or help those in need. Rather, my advice to you is to aim to attain justice and not to confuse it with charity along the way. The success of our Constitution is generally viewed from two opposite ends of the spectrum. Some people speak of our Constitution in entirely adulatory terms, while others are cynical of the success of our Constitution. The reality is neither here nor there. As a governing document, its potential is indeed transformative. When the Constitution is viewed in the context from which it emerged, it is nothing short of remarkable. The Constitution has made tremendous strides towards a more just and democratic society, but much work remains to be accomplished before we can rest. The deep inequality which fractured our society at the time of independence persists even today. The best and surest way to make this inequality a distant dream of the past is to inculcate the spirit of constitutionalism in our society. In this endeavor, dear young lawyers, none are better placed than you. As I look at the sea of optimistic faces in the audience, all of you came here to the podium, I cannot help but hope that you will stay optimistic. Let not the hard edges of life dull the softness in you, for that is where you will draw your strength and your compassion from. The celebrated South African judge and freedom fighter, Justice Albie Sachs, penned a book called The Strange Alchemy of Life and Law. In his book, Justice Sachs speaks of ending the racially discriminatory apartheid regime in South Africa so as to realign law with justice. So he speaks about the need to realign law with justice. The realignment of law with justice is not just a one-off enterprise which is restricted to a particular country, region, instance, or time. It is a constant struggle that evolves as society evolves. And even after law has been realigned with justice, we wait for society to catch up. In your dual roles as lawyers and as citizens, you will often be confronted with situations where you must choose between saying or doing nothing and saying or doing something, however small, which will perhaps realign law or society with justice. Now, I must warn you that saying or doing nothing is probably the safer, less riskier option. But choosing the more difficult option, which is to attempt to make a difference, to attempt to realign law and society with justice, is more courageous. Even the very attempt to make the world a better place makes it a better place. When you attempt to make the world better, you make it better by your attempt at the very least. Of course, this path will be filled with uncertainties, and one cannot predict the vagaries of life. Nevertheless, by choosing to do something in the face of injustice, you will be upholding constitutional values. As James Baldwin said, Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed unless it is faced. One individual who spent much of his youth in Maharahstra chose the more difficult option in the face of unimaginable diversity and adversity. In his school in Satara, the teachers made him sit apart from his classmates because of his caste. In his high school in Mumbai, Bombay as it then was, he was the only Dalit. When he went to Baroda, now Vadodara, to offer his services to the state, he could not find any accommodation. As you must have guessed by now, this individual was none other than Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the father of our Constitution. The decks were stacked against him because of a society diseased with caste, and yet he persisted. He went on to be one of the most towering figures in the history of our country, probably the world, and continues to be a shining and stirring example to us all. We are indebted to him for many of the constitutional rights and remedies that we take for granted today. My opinion in the judgment in Navtej Singh Johar opened with the line, "The lethargy of the law is manifest again." Despite the constitutionally guaranteed right to equality and the right to non-discrimination, it took nearly 7 long decades for homosexuality to be decriminalized. But this is only one story among the many stories of injustice in our society. The unfortunate nature of the law is that the law is lethargic and filled with inertia, and you will find a million excuses when you succeed as lawyers and go on to become judges to be inert individuals, because inertia is the privilege of the privileged. But the lethargy of the law must not be mirrored in you. When it comes to constitutional values and nurturing a constitutional culture, be ahead of the curve and lead by your own example. The communities that we create for ourselves will be the backbone of our collective quest for justice. I dare say that you are intimately familiar with the concept of community, having lived for 5 years amongst your college mates, professors, and university staff. Of late, we live in an increasingly disconnected world. Despite being more connected than ever through technology, people long for a sense of belonging as their lives become more and more isolated interpersonally. Each of us is trying to source our own sense of identity in this increasingly disconnected world. Your years at the university would have offered you a glorious glimpse of community living. Treasure it and aim to recreate that sense of community wherever life takes you. With that, I come to the end of my speech. Good luck and Godspeed to each one of you as you begin your careers in service of our great nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for bestowing upon us the privilege and honor of your invaluable words on this momentous occasion. I now invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor to request the Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
Honorable Chancellor, Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur, sir. I have the honor to request Your Lordship to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
I request the dignitaries on the dais and the audience to stand up for national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I now request the dignitaries on the dais to proceed for retreat of procession.